gave you a good old college try.
Woo, that was a lot of action. Folks, just a reminder, I did not clarify before, we have Camp Leapfrog merch in-house and a very special edition tie-dye t-shirt available from, I believe, small to 3XL. Yes. And you're right there in the lime green. You can purchase right over there. They look exactly like that, green tie-dye. They're sick. Get your Camp Leapfrog shirts. And a reminder, we are following COVID protocols, so please keep your masks up and be respectful of everyone around you. Let's get started with the next match, which will be a Rey de Ranas match.
I'm not going to step to the whisper.
I'm never going to do that.
The following opponent, he is the Pectoral Poseidon, Lawless!
So many different styles in this matchup here. Alex Lawless bringing the muscle.
The following opponent, from the village hidden in the concrete, the Ghetto Samurai, he is Nolo Kitano!
We got to see him and Whisper team up for the tag team tournament, and I gotta say, I was truly impressed by their ability to get together and be a cohesive unit that quick. But they're gonna have to put that aside today in this match.
It was a tag team built on mutual respect. We'll see how respectful they stay in this matchup.
What is that? You can't have that.
And the final competitor, from the land of legends, he is the Henshin hero, Kamen MK!
Well, speaking of tag teams, there's another team in this ring that's going to have to put that aside to see who wins this multi-man match.
Well, there can only be one winner here, so you may see some alliance form, some alliance break. Everyone wants to be the Rey de Ranas.
Well, before let's get started with our sponsor for this, the Brotherly Love Wrestling Podcast. You can find them at 215
The winner of
Wrestling.
this match will be dubbed the Rey de Ranas!
I got to see that medal up close. It is beautiful.
So we will crown our first Rey de Ranas here. It's very interesting in these multi-man matches. We have so many different styles. We have the muscle. We have high flyers. We have technical wrestlers. We have traps. Just different styles. Let's see how they meld together. We talked about the friendships in this match. Let's talk about the enemies. And King Crab found 5 of them. And now this is one of those alliances I was talking about, targeting the biggest man in the match. Everyone piling on top of Rex Lawless. Oh, with the basket catch and the basket toss.
Well, if you're going to team up, that's definitely, you got to take out the maintenance. Rex is no joke.
Looks like they went in here with a strategy.
Those two teams we talked about are now locked up. It's like a hockey fight. The gloves are off and they are swinging.
Look at how in tune these two tag teams are. Flying Ranas there. King Crab back in.
Come here!
Got him in that straitjacket hold. Straitjacket sit-down powerbomb by the Crab. And Kamen MK not saving his partner there, saving the matchup for himself. Crab holding on. Should have let him go. Building up that momentum.
They were going against each other for a second, but no, they were just helping him get a little more. Well, there you go.
Both of them want to be the victors here. It's all breaking down. Flying Enzikuris. Nolo in the ring with the Whisper. But there comes Rex Lawless. Some more tag team offense coming up. No! The power. Rex Lawless. Grabbed over with the schoolboy. No, wait a minute. Trying to turn it into a crab. The master of all crab holds. He's got it locked in and locked in deep. We could call it a Jersey crab. Wait a minute, the Whisper version of the mousetrap. Rolling through is coming. We've seen already how quick a match can end. Trying to get one of those quick pinfalls. Still earned his victory with the roll up there. The slides in. Trying to wrap that arm. Rolling through. But not enough. Whisper with that one-legged drop kick. Oh! Just destroyed by that big boot. Bow to the king. Whisper able to kick out there. I love the fighting spirit of the Whisper here. Oh, Whisper way up high. Oh, and just tossed him over that top rope all the way to the floor. Everyone's been taken out.
Are really getting their money's worth in that front row. They're getting to see all the action up close and personal. Crab with a huge spine buster.
Grab it to the cover.
Oh! Nolo Kitano comes out of nowhere with a huge stomp to break up the count.
Oh, we're in there with Rex. Trying to chop down the tree with those kicks. It's a big tree to chop down, though. Oh, just tossed away by Rex Lawless.
All these super high flyers, you can quickly be grounded by the strength of Rex Lawless.
Rex Lawless has been in the ring for quite some time. He's just been owning that ring. Nobody really wants to get in there and face him one-on-one, and I don't blame him.
No, I definitely would. I'd hang out to the outside and see what happens.
Rex up in no man's land. Here comes Kamen. Oh! Nolo getting the worst of that, but a double powerbomb on Rex Lawless.
He's got 2 targets. Who's he picking?
Whisper now. Gonna try to take on 2 men all by himself. Crab comes in, gets some as well. Look for the aftermath. Crab! Oh! With a double lung blower. A fisherman suplex driver. That's enough! King Crab can truly call himself a king as he is the Rey de Ranas.
Came in with no alliances, no friends, and walked out with the medal.
Walked out with some new subjects.
You know we're never going to hear the end of this.
No.
No, he's going to let everyone know that he won that still.
I didn't hear the end of it before he won, so. It's all he's been talking about, but he has now claimed that title.
This next one's going to be very exciting. Let's